In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the number of views you've received on an Instagram post. Now, in order to do this, you first need to head over to the Instagram application and you need to ensure that you've switched your personal account to a professional account. If you haven't already done that, then just click on Edit Profile, and at the bottom, we'll have this option to switch to professional account. Click on this, then click on Continue, click Continue, and finally click Continue. And then all you need to do is press Done right at the bottom here, and then just go through these steps to set up your professional account. Once you've finished setting up your professional account, you can then head back over to the homepage of Instagram. So now what you need to do is click on any of your posts on Instagram, and in the bottom left hand side you'll see this new option called View Insights. Click on this, and it's from here you'll be able to see all of your view counts, likes, shares, and that kind of thing. But you do need to switch to a professional account before you'll have access to this information. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you see your view count on Instagram. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.